for watching. I'm going to show you guys how to make a homemade brake, 10 feet long. Here's a quick video on how to make a homemade brake. Cheap. I got two 1x4x12s. This roll of, I think it's called flashing or whatever. I clamp this end first over here, and then I clamp that end after that. Don't start clamping down the line. I'm gonna put about 6 clamps on this every 2 feet or so. Make sure that it's nice and crunched and flat when you go to bend this. But if you do it from like right here and clamp this one and keep going down the line, clamp, 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 it'll start to shift. This way I clamped it here, clamped it there, and one end to the other, it won't shift as I go to clamp. That's what it should look like. Now you're ready to bend. You ain't gotta do nothing crazy. As long as this is kissing this piece of wood together snug, when you go to bend this, you won't get those crease lines over here. So there you go. Watch this. That's all you're doing, buddy. All you're doing. Bend it down. Obviously, people are gonna see this bottom lip, so don't go crazy and just start bending it. You want it to look uniform, so take your time. I got one hand on the camera and one hand here, but I really do gotta set this phone down in order to do this right, but you guys get the concept, you know? I find it a lot easier to just slowly give it a little bit of a crease, go all the way down and keep working it back from the beginning again. Because if you go too much, it's just gonna, you'll see the crease, but you guys see what I'm doing right now? It's at like a 15-degree angle. And I'm gonna work my way all the way down. Show you guys real quick. So when I came back over here, I would hit it again. And just work with it. If you see a little crease here, work with your thumb. You'll be able to straighten that out and make it look good. Real easy, man. This is gonna look just like you owned a brake. Same crap. That's all it is. But you don't want to waste $1,000 on a brake. Work your way down. Take your time. Especially if you're only doing one of these. What a money saver, you know? So all I ask is give me a thumbs up for helping you guys out with this video. And if you got a better idea of this, let me know. Let the people know. Because we want to hear it. No bullshit, guys. No bullshit. All right, we're going to release it. Do not release it if you're not done. Do not. You ain't going to get it back in position. Now you guys can check out. And this didn't take me a lot of time. Real easy job. I did have to move the clamps and readjust them a couple times, only because the lip on this right here was interfering with it. Check it out, guys. Check it out. There's some guy on Instagram who talks to me, but you guys see what's going on. That shit's straight. That's nice and beautiful. Give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Go take care of that. I'll show you guys a close-up here. This ain't no bullshit, okay? Got a nice bend. Professionally made. It's gonna look good. Homemade brake. This is what you guys are gonna get. End result.